Hi, Phoebe! Whoa! Chef Cat is cooking for us!
No, cooking for me. I want a cake!
It's easy even for a cat. Meow. I'm going to need a regular cookie. Smashing it up into crumbs. Moving on. Putting it in our mold. And now, let's get cooking. We need some gelatin in the boiling water. Some blue color. See? A couple of drops was enough. Pouring it into our mold. I got distracted. Here comes the worm. I'm fishing. Oh, look at me. And here's our fish. Meow. I really would love to eat it, but I put it in the jelly. Ha! Just look at that. It turned out perfect.
I've already made a cake too. It only remains to decorate it. We take a transparent mold and putting chocolates of different colors in it. Now, adding a little fire to melt everything. Well, it only remains to lift the mold up. And look at the chocolate spreading around the cake. Incredible! Well, now we can get to decorating. I'll use marshmallows. A little over here, and of course a rainbow. Marshmallows are like clouds in this way.
And I'll decorate my cake with Nutella. It's so delicious! Pouring all the Nutella on the cake. Look how it's flowing. And some pink cake cats. My sis loves this. What do you think? A donut? Chef Cat, did you do this?
Me? How could I?
Well, I'll put it like this. Hope Wendy doesn't notice it.
Wow! Everything looks so delicious! I want to start with this Kit Kat cake. All the layers are so sweet. What? Wait a minute. No, I'm not eating that donut. A rainbow cake. It's made out of chocolate. Cool. And the cake itself is incredibly delicious. Awesome. I like it. Wow, a fish cake. That's unusual. Let's try the marmalade fish. Ooh, I'm thrilled. And the cake? I've never tried this before. Wow. Chef Cat is the winner.
I'm the best.
Now I want a sandwich. Make me the most delicious one in the world.
Chef Cat, what are you doing?
I need a mold for my sandwich. Look at that. Moving on. Some canned cat food. Meow. That's incredible. There we go. Well, I'm not done yet. Let's take some ham. And I'm cutting the details for the sandwich. We need some cheese now. Incredible. Collecting everything. And voila!
I can't open this ice cream! Ooh, Chef Cat, will you help me?
Of course.
It's very cool! I
I need to thank him. Here's some fresh milk.
Thank you.
Now let's start making a sandwich. It's gonna be a sweet one. Some ice cream and waffles. And chocolate syrup on top. Let's sprinkle it with nerds candy. It turned out so delicious. What about Phoebe? I'm going to make the tallest sandwich for Wendy. A layer of toast, some cheese, tomatoes, ham, a lettuce leaf. Where's my ham? I definitely put it there. Okay. Moving on. Wait, what? Where's my ham? This is very strange. I'm watching it.
My favorite ham. I'm going to do...
I knew this. Well, moving on. Collecting my perfect sandwich. Done. Wendy, you can try it. Wow! Oh, this is for me! Wow! I've never seen such a huge sandwich! And it's so delicious! Oh! Chef Cat! These are cute! Ew! How disgusting! It tastes like canned fish! Oh no! It really is canned fish! How horrible! Chef, I'm not a cat! Well, let's try this one. My favorite strawberry ice cream! That surprised me! You're the winner, brother! Really? Yo! I won!
I tried so hard.
Prepare a cocktail for me. I want it sweet and delicious.
It's so easy. I need milk. I love it. A sausage and blending everything up. Well, that's pretty fast. Perfect. Pouring it into our cup. And look at that. My eyes pause. Oh, incredible. Putting it in. And here's our straw.
I will make a cocktail from natural lemon juice. Let's squeeze it out. And right into my shaker. Now I need grape-flavored Fanta and explosive grape-flavored caramel. Pouring all of the ingredients into the shaker and shaking it up. You got it right. I think everything is ready. Pouring it into a glass, inserting a straw, and decorating it with lemon. Quentin, come on, you have to cook. Oh, I have the perfect idea. I don't have to cook anything. McDonald's will do it for me. Where is it? Whoa! What is that? Oh, that's horrible! Are you a Bigaboo courier from McDonald's? Thanks. Bye-bye. Ugh, nightmare. Ew! Here are my cocktails. With a sausage? Ugh, that's disgusting! And what is here? Wait! Explosive caramel? That's great! I loved it! Oh my gosh! This is so good! Oh! Whoa! Wendy? Are you okay? Phoebe wins! Oh, thank you, Wendy! Love you! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.
There are cool videos to come, so stay tuned. Write in the comments, do you like Chef Cat?